Guess what came? Ipsy. And I gotta tell you, it's pretty thin. So I'm curious what's in here. So it's like a consolation bag, I think. And it's either gold or silver. Ooh, I got the blue with the gold. Fancy, and it's a really soft material. Kind of reminds me of like scuba gear. Kind of. It's constellations with makeup brushes. Alright, let's see. Let's open this sucker up and see what we got. Make sure there's nothing else in there. Okay. So, if my camera will focus. Yes. Thank you. So here's the Ipsy card. Here's this. Tells you how much you can earn shopping. Okay. Here's my shoe, my dirty shoe. Ooh, instant brows. Brow pencil in medium dark. Awesome. Because I know there was a brow pencil up for grabs, but it was taupe. So I didn't get that, so that's cool. Mad Lash Black Mascara by the Balm. This is a good bag so far. I'm impressed. Ofra Highlighting Banana Powder. Oh my gosh. What did I do? Did I score? Did I score? It looked like somebody had been gouged, but I guess not. Probably just couldn't handle it. Nuxalence Detox. And it's for the face. And lastly, ooh, very cute. Got an angled eye brush from, is that Miss Glam? Yeah, Miss Glam or something. Very cute, very soft. And that is what I got. I got a pretty good bag this month, I have to say. Pretty impressed. See you next time. Peace.